Use food-grade diatomaceous earth as a low-toxicity dust to control crawling insects in cracks, crawl spaces, and around foundations. For effective application, start by choosing food-grade diatomaceous earth because it has the lowest crystalline silica content and is safe around people and pets when applied and handled correctly. Dry surfaces are essential since the dust works by abrading insect exoskeletons and absorbing lipids, so thoroughly dry baseboards, crawl spaces, and wall cavities before applying. Use a hand bulb duster or shaker bottle to get a light, even layer into tight cracks and wall voids, aiming for a dusting that leaves a barely visible film rather than clumps which lose efficacy. Outdoors, apply a continuous band around the foundation and under roof overhangs where ants and other insects travel, and refresh that barrier after heavy rain because moisture reduces activity. For pantry pests, mix diatomaceous earth with baking soda at a 1-to-1 ratio and dust lightly in shelves and around food storage areas, removing infested food items and wiping surfaces first. Always wear a dust mask and eye protection when applying, and keep pets and children away during application until dust settles. Then vacuum loose dust after a day or two in living spaces. People often over-apply and create thick piles that cake and become ineffective, so use a light, even film and brush away excess. Another common mistake is applying to damp areas or right before rain, which renders the product temporarily useless, so time applications for dry spells and plan to reapply after wet weather. A third issue is treating only visible spots and ignoring entry points and habitat. Treat perimeters, voids, and adjacent vegetation, and combine with sanitation like sealing food and removing clutter to stop reinfestation. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners locate local contractors who handle crawlspace work, insect exclusion, and remediation, and our site connects contractors with people looking for pest control and structural services. We also host a discussion community where we and other members share tips, experiences, and vendor recommendations related to do-it-yourself, pest control, and professional options.